on, everybody? It's Lucas at Stokes Music Studios. I'm going to give you 3 great tips to help you out when you're playing windy and warm. You're going to want to have a steady thumb. Your thumb needs to be able to alternate between whatever strings we need. So it's always great to spend several hours of the day practicing that thumb, everybody. Our thumb is a crucial aspect to it. A minor is the shape we're going to play. We got capo 2, so that's really B minor there. So what we're going to do here is look at the pinky. The pinky has a great deal of involvement in windy and warm. The pinky has to do a lot of bending. There you go. It's a half step bend, and that can be very painful at first if it's new to you. String gauge plays a huge role in the song too. If you're on a 13, 54, let's say, that's going to be very heavy. You might want to step down to an 11 or 12, and especially on the high strings. Let's take a look at what's going on here. We keep that pulse. The pinky is going to go to the 3rd fret, all relative to the capo. So the pinky hammers on, so you got that motion. To set it in motion, how do we set it in motion? Flick up with your 2nd finger of the G string, and you hammer on to that A minor, and you hit the A at the same time. That gets it in motion. When you get here, it's very important you hit the E string and the B string at the same time, because you're sliding to an E note, D to E. And the cool thing is, that's the same as the string below it. So it creates that really nice resonance. Back to the A minor, everybody. So I'm gonna play it real slow one time. Maybe you'll learn from this. F. It's a tricky song, but I want to give you those tips because it's very important. It's all about our pinky placement when we're carving up to that bend. Our fingernail is almost touching the string so we can really get a good push. Tip number 2, make sure you're flicking the E string when you slide up to the 3rd to the 5th fret. Tip number 3, just make sure your thumb's nice and steady. You want your thumb at your disposal. You don't want your thumb to control you. Bash this video if you'd like. Comment on it. Either way, we love you. I love teaching guitar. I love providing any tips because, hey, sometimes it just takes the help from someone else to get you out of a rut. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to practice windy and warm another couple thousand times, and I will see you, everybody, in my next guitar lesson. We're teaching you how to read music through drills like these and regular progress checks. Take a look at this sample.